Welcome back, everybody. Today, the news: Edo 2020, early shocker for Oshomole. Izuyamu as R5 crushes APC campaign team. R5 and they crush APC campaign team. Now, that they tell us, see, early shocker for Oshomole. Izuyamu as R5 crushes APC campaign team. Mark you, the R5 when they crush APC campaign team. Now APC big wings, according to the way what they call them when they for Africa in the zoo. They see them get big wings politicians. R5 them now the people whether they consider as the untouchable men in that country they call Nigeria. R5 them. Now them the people when we see that they consider as in say then they untouchable in Nigeria. The state when R5 they govern today, brother, all of us they see the whole Kaduna killings. We they see things when they happen. They don't kill all we brothers and all we sisters in the north. Most especially the Christians. R5 na they manipulate. R5 na they orchestrate, and R5 na they do, na they kill people in the north. Because a situation whereby things like this they happen. Governor of a state, Nonyan, like R5, you know, see something they behind the matter. All of them, APC and PDP, them be brothers. Forget all these things whether they tell you say APC say peace, they inside. Forget that whether they tell you say then they quarrel. All of them are friends at the back doors. 247. That is why the thing when they happen in our country will continue to happen. I don't tell you before many times. Say the issue of Boko Haram, not they go nowhere. It remain in Nigeria forever and ever. ISWAP the same. Ansaru the same. Tesmin the same. Forever and ever. If our people we don't want change. We don't want change with our mindsets. We don't want rethink all this thing. They come balance on top executive chair in Nigeria there. I mean the Boko Haram. They are not going anywhere. If we continue to choose all these kind of leaders like Oshomole, leader like Izuyamu, leader like the other man what they call Obaseki. All of them. Leader like Bola Tinubu, like this man, when we don't call him name R5. Leader like all these people, when we see them be APC and PDP in general. Nigeria is not going nowhere. Nigeria remain in darkness forever and ever because of this your so-called lazy politicians. Now, today they tell us say Oshomole and Izuyamu na big problem when they in Edo State. Make una not forget so Oshomole now with Izuyamu then go Edo State, go kneel down for the Edo State people. Just exactly the same thing when Yaya Bello of Kogi State did. Same Arofayo thought his name not they come up for Tori. Arofai and the woman that is leading Nigeria today, that is the Aisha Buhari, when they rule on her. They don't go Kogi State, go kneel down for the people of Kogi State. Now the same thing now when we're going to see the Wayo as he take the plane now. As the Wayo take open bell, you know this here. Here now Wayo they do you. The same thing when they don't do in Kogi State. Now him, Izuyamu and this man, Oshomole. Clueless Oshomole. Very, very clueless man. Now him, Oshomole now, they don't carry come Benin City. Now him people can say, cha! Edo monarch, Benin people, make una not mind Oshomole and Izuyamu. Say now Wayo, then they come the Wayo owner. And again, Obaseki himself not get anything when he won't do for you. Not forget that one. That one is number one. Because when we talk about Oshomole, we talk about Obaseki, we talk about this Izuyamu. Izuyamu never come out before as a governor or to contest as governor of Edo State. But today, we don't hear say Izuyamu get plenty bege, plenty quanta, plenty corruption. This is as the same way when his boss, when Oshomole gets. Even though say their Curtis political group, when be PDP and APC, they don't forgive Oshomole. But Oshomole have a very big corruption cases. Oshomole have a very big corruption cases on top his neck. Still hanging on top his neck. So, tell me now who you want to choose. Is Uyamu, Oshomole, Abi, now the other man, one of the cause, you know, Obaseki. All these people, no one is bringing anything for you. PDP, then they battle for their pocket. APC, they battle for their pocket. The whole politicians, they battle for their pocket, including Weke, all of una, they battle for una pockets. Even though say PDP, they say APC not good, APC say PDP not good, they are all not our choice. They are all zero. Now, we hear say Edo State now, they don't fight, better fight. Una know now, talks. You know, APC then get their talks, PDP then get their talks. That is why she said today they don't use a lot of things to destroy our people's minds. They don't use a lot of things to brainwash our people. Election not they go the way when election they go in Nigeria. Not even in South Africa when they very close to Nigeria. Not even in Ghana. We know say all these countries then corrupt. We know say their leaders also corrupt, but they are not as corrupt as Nigerian leaders. They are not as corrupt as APC criminals. Make we read, make we see waiting that they talk about this Izuyamu and Oshomole matter. How Oshomole take go knee down for Edo State people with this same criminal Izuyamu. Oshomole don't destroy Edo State. Oshomole want to continue to destroy Edo State. That's why he's bringing in his boy. That is why he fought against this one they call Obaseki. Because Obaseki not they share money richer. Obaseki not they give him what is supposed being owned. Now Oshomole say no, we will fight you. Now the fight continues. The fight continues. And now so now go fight. And so we go dey here. They watch on like the way where they watch movies. The embattled Godfather struggling for survival for Edo politics. The ousted national chairman of All Progressive Congress, APC, Adams Oshomole, and his anointed candidate for the September 19 gubernatorial election, Pastor Osagie Izuyamu. Now, this one na pastor, we don't know whether na in real name or not, but they call him pastor. Okay? We already see na pastors to destroy our well-being in Nigeria. Had to suffer early shockers from a prominent member of the APC campaign council for the Edo election who abandoned the team from the starting point. The governor of Kaduna State, Malam El-Rufai, have pulled a string of surprise with his foresight of the integrity questions the APC campaign team would encounter in the course of the electioning campaign. Governor El-Rufai expressed dissatisfaction over the campaign council members appointed by the APC national leadership in Abuja. Since the commencement of the electioning campaign for the governorship election in Edo State, the damages caused the APC candidate Izuyamu by the former chairman Oshomole created heavy burden of distrust on the candidate sponsored by Oshomole in the 2016 have created heavy integrity burden for the APC candidate. Governor El-Rufai saw it coming From the beginning, the Kaduna governor had on a social media platform questioned the appointment of Governor Umar Gandoji of Kano State as chairman of the APC campaign council for the Edo State election, with seeming reference to some other members of the APC campaign team. Governor Arafai not only dumped the campaign council, he also declared, "I can't be part of campaign council that is meant to promote EFCC customers. This is against APC corruption." Mantra. So, when I don't hear even Arafai now is talking about corruption. All of them talking about corruption. People that are dealing on corruption, they are the people that are corrupt. They are the corrupt officers. They are the people that we don't want to serve as public officers. These people will be APC people and PDP, Nigerian people. Funky, they ask on all the time. Una know they see the handwriting on the wall. Una know they see everything when these people they tell us now why you. Or everything when they tell us now why you. I don't tell una see, they go come out in public. Even Malami and Amago. Make I tell you now, what will blow your mind. Malami and Mago, 247, that they dine and wine. Now public, they go just come and come disgrace themselves. Before you know what they happen, brother, you will see them, that they dine and wine, they call each other. They shake hand, they jolly, see, they don't deal with still the Southerners when they not get brain to resume for the first time. Then go they jolly, then go they do knuckle. You know, we don't deal with them. That's so. They're not they nothing. So when all these things they happen now, when we don't see all this things happen, where they Tanko Muhammad they just did that they deceive now with the Mago. Oh, Mago do this. Justice Minister. In fact, the world now in general, an organization in the world, they done petition on AGF, Attorney General of the Federation, for corruption scandals about 63 billion American dollars crude oil money. Then they ask the man, say, where this money did? 63 billion American dollars. Not be joke, brother. Malami is a big corrupt officer, and that man need to be inside the Kuje prison right now with his counterpart when be that Mago. Then go come out public, they deceive you, then go tell you that they fight corruption. At the end of the day, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the evening, you will see these people, then they want beer parlor, or they each of their houses, and they are, doing what they are doing. They are all friends, PDP and APC, all of them be friends. They know what they are doing. Everything is fraud on top of our head, on top of our neck, on top of our resources. Everything when APC people they do now fraud. Look at APC people when come in the name of say they won't fight corruption. Today now them now they fight them themselves. Inside them. Mago say Malami corrupt. Malami say Mago corrupt. Malami na Attorney General of the Federation. Mago na the boss of the EFCC. Brother, tell me how you want to fight this kind of corruption. Tell me the kind of corruption when Buhari they fight. When I say I get Buhari. Tell me now whether president they are alive under his neck, under his watch. All these things they happen. You see president today under his watch. Malami. Almost 300 billion American dollars. Money when they run into trillions. Now Malami don't thief from Nigerian coffer. Money when they run into the zillions. Now him, that's how they call EFCC chairman. Thief. But yesterday, yes, say somebody want go thief full stuff. Say they send them jail. That 3 or 4 years jail. But there's people when they thief trillions, nothing they happen to them. Somebody went thief because the person hungry. This one and all these rich men that they and people they hungry. After they don't thief our money, then they there. People they hungry. Somebody when they hungry empty belly go thief small food. Now they talk say the guy they go 3-4 years in jail. But Malami they want they thief trillions. All them Okorocha they want they thief zillions. Look at all these people now. Now the same people who now still they in 1 million come back on the rule now. Look at Oshomole corruption not get second hand. Izuyamu the same, Obaseki the same, all these people, all of them, APC and PDP, the same people, our people again, when 200 million Nigerian morons, brother, Ona did they look them. The same, this man now, what they call Obaseki, they know what in that, everybody know that one record. Oshomole, all of them know that one record. Izuyamu, Una know their record. Not to talk of Malami, not to talk of Aisha Buhari, not to talk of all these people, not to talk of Okorocha, not to talk of Bola Tinubu, not to talk of Dosibanjo, not to talk all these people, brother. All of them, I don't see them corrupt. Now, I still want to vote them back. Now, I still they call on them. Now, I see this, oh, Shomole, oh, this one, oh, that one. When Nigerian people, when we go learn. In fact, the morons, when they get not only Edo State to get their own, each state to get their own moron. You know, we have 36 states, and these 36 states where we get, all of them get their own moron in that country. Morons everywhere. That is why you see APC and PDP, they still hold that country hands down. Unamumu never do. All this is what they happen in those states. Una still there the PDP, the PDP turn, now APC turn. PDP and APC will never give you nothing. Now only rock when you go kiss. As you continue to chant PDP or APC. I say now only rock you go kiss. So ladies and gentlemen, when I don't hear what they talk, I don't fight them now, all of them they fight. I'm not the same APC people. Izuyamu don't come now, they don't go kneel down. All of that combined together is deceit against Edo State people. So Edo, I get a lot of people when they online. And when I go there, they talk things when not make sense. For Kidi say, make una stop to the talk things when not make sense. Make una turn on our back and start to the talk things when make sense and things when go benefit on our people. Make una stop to the talk about only Ashawo. Make una know how to condemn on a man when be Obaseki or Izuyamu or this guy what they call Oshomole when not get direction. So make una learn how to stand up on top these people when we see now them put Edo State people they won when they now them make Edo State people they die in Mediterranean Sea like never seen before, and they don't give a damn, they don't give a hook whether you die you not die. So that is why you got to stand up and tell them, look, now because of una they make us they run come off from our own God blessed states. So now enough is enough for Oshomole, and enough is enough for Obaseki, enough for the whole impunity, and enough for APC and PDP. So if you check, you go Nigeria today now, go check people when they die in Mediterranean Sea. 99.9% of them, all of them. Now at those state people, where they take the run, they won't go Europe, go do prostitution. But they talk about prostitution more than the way they talk about the thing when Oshomole, Obaseki, Izuyamu, and all those people, including Tony Kabaka, they do in their states. The whole story where they always hear in Edo State man mouth now about woman and about how they want to make money through prostitution. But not be all Edo State people know. Not say I say everybody know. But some of them and the majority of them, not the thing where they talk. Not the thing where they like to talk. Always be that. Brother, learn how to speak to your governor. Because if you not speak, they will continue to enslave you and your generation. One love, everybody. One love, once again. I say if you got anything where you want yarn, maybe the yarn, come down on my comment section. Come tell us what you think about this topic. One love from Canada.